Hi guys, so today our lesson is going to be on double digit multiplication. And I know that this gives some of you anxiety because not all of us are great with our facts, but please remember some of the tricks that we talked about. So just because you don't know your facts by heart doesn't mean you can't multiply double digit numbers. So all we need to do is go ahead and set up our paper, and we know that we want to leave, a space for that tens place digits. We know that no matter what, we are always going to have a zero in this space. And we can come over here if we want to and just write our fours and our sixes. And so, or you could do your sevens and your twos, whichever one is easier for you. So let's do sevens and twos because twos are obvious a lot easier. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And we only need to go to 12 because the numbers that we're multiplying are 6 and 4. And so for 7, the same thing. 7. And if you don't know your sevens, that's fine. Remember, just draw those 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you're going to count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Count again. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. If you know them, you can just keep going. So then 28. Right? If you don't know them, you can count 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And just for time's sake, 42. And remember, we only had to go to 6 because that's the highest number you're going to multiply by. And then at this point, you're going to go ahead and multiply. So 2 times 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. If you didn't know it, it was 8. And you don't have any 10s here, so you don't have to worry about that. And then 4 times 7, so you're going to come over here. You're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 28. And because that is the last number that we're multiplying, we can go ahead and put the 2 in that box. And then we already put our 0 there as our placeholder, and 6 times 2, so we did 2s. We're going to go all the way down to the bottom. And so we're going to put the 1 in the small box and a big 2. Because remember, we need that 1 here for to add to our next answer, which is going to be 6 times 7, which we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 7 is 42. Plus 1 equals 43. And so when we were doing this work in class, some of you I saw stopped here. But we can't stop here because we are not done yet. This is now addition. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we're going to put the 0 there, bring our 1 up here. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 3 is 6. And then 4 plus nothing, or 0, is 4. We'll throw our comma in, and our final answer is going to be 4,608. And now, if we had a decimal in here, so let's go ahead and throw 1 decimal in here, would just circle the numbers behind a decimal. So that's 1 number behind a decimal. And we would go ahead and move that decimal in. We would then get rid of that and put our 4 a little closer for an answer of 460.8. If you guys have any more questions about this, go ahead and email me. All right, well, I will be sending your next video for science as well in just a little bit.